Let me ask you something. If education is so important, why do so many people hate studying? Most people think education is about grades, degrees, and impressing others. But that's not what education is really for. Life will educate you either way. The question is, will it be voluntary or painful? I'm not smart enough. That thought has destroyed more dreams than failure ever did. In the US education system, failure isn't proof you're dumb, it's proof you tried. Education trains something deeper than memory. It trains patience, focus, and delayed gratification, and those skills pay forever. American education brings people from different cultures into the same room. You don't just learn math or science, you learn how to work with humans. Yes, some people succeed without school, but most don't. Survivorship bias is loud. Struggle is silent. Education doesn't promise success. It prepares you for opportunity, and opportunity only comes to those who are ready. The real value of education is not the certificate, it's learning how to learn, so you can adapt again and again. In a world that keeps changing, education is how you stay in control.